We had the opportunity to increase our bandwidth for half of the price that we had before, knowing that we're going to be using email in the cloud and using other services of the network. We thought it's going to be important to upgrade the bandwidth. So we upped it, we doubled it. When I started, we're going to double it hopefully by the end of the year, this year again.
It will be much more modern. There will be icons, a lot more images, and the images will be clickable because the platform that we're built on will be much more user-friendly. It will be completely responsive, so depending on what kind of device you're working on, the website will respond to the size of whether you're working on a mobile device, a tablet, or a desktop computer. More people will be able to edit their own content areas of this website, which is something all of us, I think, have wanted for a very long time. So individual departments will be able to take much more ownership in their specific web pages.
Office 365 was very attractive for us. One, it's free, but also with the Office 365, we got a lot of other benefits like unlimited space for people to store files. It's going to give us a lot more things we can use, whether it is administrative or teaching and learning as well. And the other nice thing about it, the expectation that we're going to transition students to the same exact system, and also we're working on integrating that with Cobra. So the email that today that people have Cobra, student email, and group-wise, this has all become one of the same.
Prior to the tech service desk being created, we had separate help desks for student support and for employee support. And now that we've combined, there's a better process in place for sharing ideas and knowledge and things of that sort. We assist with anything related to technology or Parkland systems in general, such as MyParkland, Cobra, Wi-Fi, email. So if folks have an issue logging on to any of those systems, we are here to help. If they have questions about the functionality, we're here to help.
User IDs and passwords have been a problem, and the security was not very strong. So we created something new called Parkland One, and the idea, once you log into the system, you can use the same user ID and password. So it'll be your Parkland One username, Parkland One ID. There's a product called CROA, is Colleague Reporting Operating Analytics. It is an Ellucian product that uses business objects that allow people to access different types of reports. The idea is to figure out a way to simplify access to data and allow people to have self-service of way to access certain reports that will be available for more people than we have today.